I'm Dr. Jen from Garden State Spinal Care. I'm going to show you my favorite way to burp a baby. Now, I have a lot of babies coming in to my office at Garden State Spinal Care, and a lot of times they are coming in super gassy. So here we go. We are going to actually put our baby with their head supported on here, okay? Not over, but just on our shoulder, especially for the little ones. Now, what we're gonna do is take our hand like this, wrap it here, come up and under and grab that booty, nice and gently. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to shimmy the bubbles out, bubble, 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 and then we grab the legs and bring it up to get that bubbles of air just to get out. Think about that it is tied underneath the diaphragm and it just needs to get out of this belly.